Bugs are already inside your walls right now. You just can't see them yet. That cheap white powder sitting in your laundry room, it's about to become the most powerful pest control weapon you own. And it costs less than a candy bar. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to seal your house against bugs all summer long. Hey friends, welcome back to $2 Fix. Today we're talking about borax. Yes, the same stuff your grandma used for laundry, but today we're using it for something way more important, keeping your home bug-free without spending a fortune. Let's talk about the problem first. Summer hits, and suddenly your kitchen has ants marching across the counter. Your basement gets spiders you've never seen before. Roaches start showing up at night when you turn the lights off. It's disgusting, it's stressful, and it's expensive. Pest control companies charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per visit. Some homeowners spend over $1,000 a year just keeping bugs away. And here's the worst part. Most of those sprays only kill the bugs you see. They don't touch the colony hiding behind your walls, so the bugs keep coming back. Month after month, year after year. It feels like a never-ending war. But here's something interesting. Old Amish communities never had this problem. No pest control trucks, no monthly contracts, no fancy chemical sprays. They lived in the same farmhouses for generations without bug invasions taking over their kitchens. How? They used simple natural minerals that were already sitting in their homes. One of those minerals was borax. They didn't need a lab, they didn't need a subscription service, just a basic mineral powder and a little bit of knowledge passed down through families. And that knowledge is exactly what we're bringing back today. All right, let's get into the big reveal. This is the borax bait and barrier formula. It's a two-part system. One part kills the bugs you already have. The other part creates an invisible wall that stops new bugs from coming in. This is not just a spray you forget about. This is a system that actually breaks the colony from the inside. Now let's talk about why this works. Borax is a natural mineral salt. It looks like a fine white powder. When ants or roaches walk through it, it sticks to their legs and body. They carry it back to the nest without even realizing it. Then they groom themselves like bugs do, and that's when it gets them. Borax messes with their digestive system. It also dries out their outer shell. This is called desiccation. Basically, it pulls moisture out of their body until they can't survive. The smart part is the bait mixture. When you mix borax with something sweet like sugar, ants think it's food. They take it straight back to the queen. And that's how you wipe out the whole colony, not just the ants you see walking on your counter. Now let's talk about why companies don't want you to know this. Big pest control companies make billions of dollars every year. Their entire business model depends on you calling them every single month. If a $2 powder solves your bug problem permanently, that destroys their profit. That's why you rarely see this trick advertised anywhere. It's not because it doesn't work. It's because it works too well. There's no monthly fee in a bag of borax. There's no truck rolling up to your driveway. There's no contract to renew. Just a simple mineral that's been doing this job for over 100 years. Let's move on to what you'll actually need. First, borax powder. You can find this in the laundry aisle of almost any store. Cost is usually around $4 to $6 for a big box. Second, white sugar, just a regular bag from your kitchen. Third, warm water. Fourth, small bottle caps or shallow jar lids. Fifth, cotton balls. Sixth, a spray bottle. That's it. Total cost is usually under $10, and this bag of borax will last you the entire summer, maybe even longer. Now let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1, make the ant bait mixture. Mix 1 cup of warm water with half a cup of sugar. Stir until the sugar fully dissolves. Then add 2 tablespoons of borax powder. Stir again until it's fully mixed. Step 2, soak your cotton balls in this mixture. Let them sit for about a minute so they soak it all in. Step 3, place these cotton balls in small bottle caps or shallow lids. Put them near areas where you've seen ants. Think kitchen corners, under the sink, near baseboards. Step 4, leave them there and don't disturb them. This part is important. You want the ants to find it and carry it back to the colony. It might take a few days to see the full effect. But that's actually a good sign. It means the bait is working slowly through the colony, not just killing the few ants you see. Step 5, for roaches, you'll do something slightly different. Mix equal parts borax and powdered sugar in a small bowl. Dust this mixture lightly behind appliances, under cabinets, and along baseboards. Use a small spoon or an old paintbrush to apply a thin layer. You don't need a thick coat. A thin dusting works best because roaches will walk through it. Step 6. For the barrier spray, mix borax with warm water in your spray bottle. About 2 tablespoons of borax per cup of water. Shake well before each use. Spray this around windows, door frames, and any entry points you've noticed bugs coming from. This creates an invisible barrier that bugs avoid walking through. Step 7. Repeat the barrier spray every couple of weeks during peak summer months. This keeps the protection fresh and active. Now let's talk about real results. Most people start seeing fewer ants within 3 to 5 days. For roaches, it can take a little longer, sometimes up to 2 weeks for full colony reduction. This isn't an instant kill like a chemical spray. It's a slow takedown of the entire colony, but that's exactly why it works so much better long term. Spraying visible bugs only treats the surface problem. This method goes after the source. Many homeowners report going from daily bug sightings to almost none within 2 to 3 weeks. And because you're maintaining the barrier spray, new bugs have a much harder time getting back in. Before and after, you're looking at a kitchen that used to have ants every morning, now staying clear for weeks at a time. A basement that used to have spiders under every shelf, now staying noticeably quieter. That's the kind of result that makes this trick spread by word of mouth. Now, let's be honest about the limitations. Borax is not magic. It works incredibly well for ants and roaches. It does have some effect on spiders because it reduces the bugs they feed on, but it's not as effective for things like fleas, bed bugs, or larger pests like rodents. For those bigger problems, you may still need additional solutions. Also, this is not an overnight fix. If you're expecting instant results in 1 hour, that's not how this works. Give it time. The colony needs to carry it back and spread it internally. That's what makes it powerful, but it also means patience is required. Now for safety. Borax is generally considered safe for household use when used properly, but it's not something you should let kids or pets eat. Keep bait stations in areas pets and children can't easily access. Always wash your hands after handling it. And avoid breathing in the powder directly when applying dust layers. Use a mask if you're sensitive to fine powders. A little common sense goes a long way here. If you have any open wounds, avoid direct contact with the powder. And if you have small pets like rabbits or birds, keep the bait completely out of their reach. Being honest about this stuff builds trust, and trust is what keeps this channel different from those flashy ads promising miracle results overnight. All right, if this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps more people find these money-saving tricks. Subscribe if you want more cheap fixes that actually work. And drop a comment telling me which pest is bothering you the most this summer. Ants, roaches, or spiders? I read every comment, and some of your bug stories might inspire the next video. Before you go, here's a bonus tip. If you're dealing with fruit flies in your kitchen, mix a few drops of dish soap with apple cider vinegar in a small bowl. Leave it uncovered on your counter overnight. The fruit flies get attracted to the vinegar, but the soap breaks the surface tension and traps them. It's a tiny trick, but it works fast and costs almost nothing. Now, here's something to think about for next time. There's a second mineral, even cheaper than borax, that some old school homeowners use to keep mice and rodents away completely. Most people throw this stuff away without realizing what it can do. I'm covering that secret formula in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed because you do not want to miss it. Stay smart, stay cheap, and I'll see you in the next one.